This time I'm using Microsoft Forms to do the final exam practice. It's new, so that's why I am doing this video to explain it. Now, the good thing about this is that you can check each answer as you go along. So first, just to get you going, write in your nickname. I'm using teacher. And then you submit, just like that. Okay, now we have the next question. So now, if you're not sure, Googling is a very good idea. If you're not sure of answers, that really helps you to learn. So Susie just said something impolite. Her teacher, Lady Gaga, is upset and says, hold your breath, keep your word, let it all out. Hold your tongue, Susie. So what do you think is the answer? Hold your breath. Well, we would do that at the hospital. We would do that when we're swimming. Keep your word is like if you make a promise, you should keep your promise. That's very important. So keeping your word is the same as keeping your promise. Let it all out. Sometimes people say, if you scream, if you're really upset about something and you scream, it makes you feel better. It's probably better to do it on the top of a mountain where nobody can hear you. Hold your tongue, Susie. Right, let's try let it all out. And submit, and it says over here, nice try, you're almost there, try again. So you're wrong. Now, it says here, show correct answer. Don't do that. Don't click that. Have a go again. Let's try hold your tongue and submit. And here it says, yes, you're correct. Okay, now go next. Jean is walking along the street while Jack is passing, pushing a cart. Jack says, da-da-da-da-da, it'll be fun. Jean says, no thanks. Sitting on a cart would be bad for my image. Now let's see. What is the missing phrase that Jack says? Do you need some help? Would you like a lift? You look amazing. Have a nice day. Now, most of this vocab you probably understand. So let's see. The one that's most difficult here is would you like a lift? So let's just try that and submit. And as you can see, that is correct. Would you like a lift means can I drive you somewhere or can I take you somewhere? Usually in a car or on a bicycle or a motorcycle. Next, we'll do one more just to make sure you understand. So Jerry says, can you come to the gig later? And Joan says, or is it Joanne? Blank, I have to babysit my little brother. So you can tell from the context, oh, a gig, what's a gig? I think most of you probably understand. A gig is where you go to see, do you call it a band? Do you call it a group? We usually use the word band. So you go to see a band, you go to listen to a band, or you go to see a band. You can say that as well. Okay. Now it's very clear that Joanne is busy. So the obvious answer is unfortunately not. Okay. And as you can see, you are correct. So now I'm going back into, hopefully I'm going to find it easily. I'm trying to close now. So that's it. I hope you understand. And I'll say adios. If I can help in any other way, just let me know. Good luck with all your exams and your future, and enjoy the end of the year party. Okay. Right, guys. See you later. Take care. And I am now going to stop recording.